When doing crazy shit like this, make sure you wear good protection and good gloves, or you can cut your fucking fingers off. Yeah, dudes, another couple of millimeters, and I would have cut off a lot more than a Jewish foreskin. A whole end would have come off.
Oh, fuck. Oh, be careful, dudes. That fucking hurt. Oh, shit. That's like literally fucking cut my bone off, I think. Oh, пиздец. Вот это пиздец. Oh, there's the bone. There's the bone. Oh. Fuck. Right, if this happens to you, you gotta put it under the tap. Oh fuck, that's actually beginning to hurt. Oh shit. Oh fuck.
Don't be a pussy, don't cry, and carry on cutting.